does the shit go after you flush? Have you ever thought about this after that blissful morning experience? Let's talk about this rather disturbing question for a few minutes. While for many of us the poop ticks the sewer lines and gets treated in a treatment plant, in an emergency response camp it is a tough time. In most of the cases, toilets in camps empty into underground pits which can directly leach into the ground. When these pits get filled up, the camp managers have to organize trucks which can empty them. In some cases, for example in Haiti during the crisis, they had to empty once in every 4 days, costing $150 every single time. There are other options available, but they're not really fit into the demands and challenges of an emergency response. My name is Ajit. I'm a project manager from Urban Waters, and our consortium solution, the prefabricated flexible membrane septic tank kit, or as we love to call it, is a septic bags. A septic bag is a flexible PVC-based septic tank. It can easily work for more than 6 months without emptying, and it reduces the pollution with no odor nuisance. The engineering, the packaging, the transport, and setting up, all of this is designed to work in a rapid response scenario of emergencies. As a consortium, we are very well experienced in this topic of emergency and sanitation. We are BORDA, an international NGO in sanitation with over 40 years of experience. Urban Waters, a group of consultants who previously used to work with BORDA, and Oxfam. What have we done over the last couple of years? In the first phase of this product development, we designed the product as well as prepared a prototype based on these requirements. It was tested with the field teams of Oxfam and THW. In the current phase, through this HGC project, we are bringing it out onto the field and testing it in Iraq. We look forward to putting it out in the market after these tests. So now that you know about our interesting solution, you can definitely help us by connecting us with those organizations who are interested in testing out such a sanitation solution. You can also talk about how sanitation can be improved in camps to all the 8 organizations that you're connected with. Or you can also help us in getting the funds for our next phases of development. So with all your help, I'm sure that we can make sure that every poop reaches its safe place. Thank you.